Hello and welcome back everyone. Today I'm going to demonstrate how I installed 2 out of 3 axis digital readout on my new vertical mill. Lately I've been busy with it and I think it's a pretty good and a good looking too reason to get distracted from those top projects outlined in one of my earlier videos. Especially since it will tremendously aid the speed and quality of those and many more other projects. I ordered this kit from eBay. They shipped it from China via FedEx and it was delivered in about a week after the sale date. When I looked at the boxes, I wasn't too excited and was expecting there to be some sort of damage. To my surprise, everything survived all the fun and stresses of the shipment, and that gave me a slight sense of hope that it could work on the machine as well. It's a 3-axis kit, which I ordered oversized just in case. All 3 glass scales were packed into one box. These look like they've been made with universal kit parts. They're just chopped to length and slapped together. At least it doesn't sound like there is anything jiggling or rattling inside. And that's a good sign. It is entirely possible that they cut them to length after an order is placed to save on inventory. The connector looks like it is from Radio Shack. It is also possible that connectors and many other components at Radio Shack come from the same basement in China. There are scale covers and mounting brackets with some machine screws included with this kit, as well as mounting arm for the head unit. First initial test shows that everything looks normal and works okay and that I can proceed to the next step.